Hello student, I Soumen sir, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to learn different operation on lathe, part 2. In part 2, we are learn number 1 undercutting lathe operation, number 2 grooving lathe operation, number 3 knurling lathe operation, number 4 drilling lathe operation. First we learn undercutting lathe operation. This is the job. This is the square nose parting tool. Job is rotated. Undercutting is similar to grooving operation when perform inside a hole. This is a hole, end portion, there is a big side of hole. Undercutting, it is the process of boring a groove or a large hole at a fixed distance from the end of the hole. So the process of enlarging, this is enlarging the hole at a fixed distance from, this is the fixed distance, at a fixed distance is called undercutting. The square nose parting tool, this is the square nose parting tool, is used for undercutting. The cos feet, here cos feet is given to the tool at the spot, this spot, at the spot of undercutting. Okay, second operation, grooving lathe operation. Grooving lathe operation, this is the first figure, this is the job held on life center and dead center. This is the square groove, this is the job or work. Here this is the round groove, this is the job held on life center and dead center. Here bevel groove, this is bevel groove tool, this is the grouping tool, this is the square grouping tool. Grouping is the process of reducing the diameter, here reducing the diameter of a workpiece over a very narrow space, So grooving or necking is the operation through which a groove of approximately same width is produced on the job as that of the cutting edge of the tool. Okay, the work is revolved at half speed of the turning, and a grooving tool of required shape is fed straight into the work in this direction, into the work, by rotating the cross slide screw, Okay. Next operation, knurling lathe operation. This is the workpiece, cylindrical workpiece held on life center and dead center. This is the knurling roll. This is the tool holder. Knurling is the process of embossing. Embossing means impression. Embossing a diamond-shaped pattern on the surface of a workpiece. The purpose of knurling is to provide an effective gripping surface on a workpiece. So, knurling is the process of making the surface rough, to prevent slipping when we use for gripping purpose. The knurling surface is obtained by pressing the knurling tool. This is the knurling tool against the rotating work. This is the rotating work held either between centers, life center and dead center, or it is held in chuck. Okay. Next operation, drilling lathe operation. This is the workpiece held in chuck. Workpiece is rotated. This is the drill. It is held on tailstock. This is fit into the workpiece. The operation of producing hole in a job by the help of drill is called drilling. So, it is the operation of producing a new cylindrical hole in a workpiece by the rotating cutting edge of a cutter known as drill. Tool is fitted on tailstock spindle. Is fit into the work axially by hand, rotating the tailstock hand wheel. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.